Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to link pages in Figma. Whether you're designing a website, an app, or even an interactive poster, this feature makes navigation smooth and professional. So let's get started. First, open your Figma project and make sure you have multiple frames or pages you want to link. So for example, here I have three welcome, and next is the link me and nothing here. So for example, the welcome is my welcome page wherein I have a text here and I want them to open the second page when they click the message here. So I will go to the second page because this is the page that I want to be opened. So I will copy the link, right click and copy link and go back to welcome page or the first page that I have here. Click the text and then go to the right side tools wherein you see text and you will see create link or a chain icon. So click that one, paste the URL and enter. Now, if you click the text, you will now be redirected to the second page. Another example is if I want to link this third page to the second page, copy link again, go back to second page, go to the text, and then click the text, go to the right tool, click chain icon, paste the URL, and enter. And click the text to test. And there you have it. So if you want this, another example is let's link this text to the welcome page. So you copy the link. This is the copy or the welcome page. Copy the link, go back to the third page and create link, paste the URL, and there you have it. Let's try. Okay, so that's it. Now you know how to link pages in Figma for website, apps, and even interactive poster. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips. See you in the next video.